how a brand boosts its sales with omni-channel marketing. What is omni-channel marketing? The act of presenting your brand consistently everywhere is called omni-channel marketing. It refers to being present for your customer across various platforms, be it online or offline. Companies set up outlets in cities to showcase their brand, products, and great customer service physically. And they also sell their goods at online platforms where their target customers are likely to be present. It creates a seamless experience for users regarding their interaction with the favorite brands. Omnichannel marketing examples: a home solutions offering brand launches the app and also sells its products via offline outlets. It lets its customers scan the flyers distributed over the area, select the products they want to buy, and pick them by visiting the outlets locally. It creates a seamless experience for customers by easy shopping. Virtually, they are more loyal to the brand when they can touch and feel the products before they buy. Role of interaction in omnichannel marketing: it helps the brands to understand its customer preferences and behavior. This allows it to know the various touch points where any product or service can be pitched to them. For this to happen, an effective strategy or a sales funnel is put in place, which can be made possible by knowing the details about its customers. Marketers create a personalized content in the form of blog articles or targeted ads when they know their customers in advance. It helps to increase sales and also eliminate ad spend and its wastage. So, interaction plays a crucial role in this. Customization in omni channel marketing: it is all about understanding a customer needs and presenting them with the products they need the most, and also about presenting the products to them across all the touch points. This helps a brand to build loyal customers by making them feel understood. Ad spend is also used efficiently when only targeted customers are shown the ads about that particular product. Targeting the customers across various social media platforms, apps, websites, as well as physical storefront helps to create a customizable experience during the entire buyer journey. Omnichannel marketing strategy: it refers to creating a consistent brand image in front of customers during entire buying journey across all the interactions. Companies make sure that all the channels are well integrated for a smooth buying experience, offering customized products, identifying major life events, knowing activity time, offering discounts, greeting and thanking customers for buying the products, or visiting their store are some activities that help with an omni channel marketing strategy. Omni channel marketing tools: these tools help a brand to effectively present itself in front of its customers. It ranges from brand awareness, consideration, interest, buying, and after sales process. Most effective tools are ones which help a brand in every phase of customer journey. Email automation softwares, CRM like HubSpot are some of the tools. Automated email campaigns, marketing automation platforms, active campaign, chatbots, GetResponse are some examples of this. If you find the information provided in this video useful, please subscribe to this channel and thanks for watching.